it's your girl, Lashes Tony XO. How are you guys doing today? I'm actually doing a hair tutorial. Super highly requested. You guys have asked me. So that's what I'm doing today. I feel really bad calling it a hair tutorial because honest to goodness, guys, it's not anything special, but it does keep my hair from being frizzy. I do have naturally curly hair, so if you have naturally curly hair, this may help you tone down your frizz. And also, maybe you don't have curly hair, but you still have frizzy hair, so this may help with that. So I'm going to show you the products that I use and how I get my hair this way. So if you want to know, just keep watching. Okay, guys, so the first thing I want to talk about is the main thing I want to talk to you guys about. There's several products that I use to get my hair like this without frizz. So I want to start with shampoo because shampoo is really important. So I just want to talk about the two shampoos that I kind of switch out. I go one day I'll use this one and one day I'll use this one. So these have honestly helped me out with my curls and with my hair not being frizzy. And I will put all the products I talk about in the description box. So if I mention a product and you forget what I'm talking about, I'll have it in the description box. So just look and it'll have the names and everything for you of the products that I mentioned today. Okay, so the first one I want to talk about is the Matrix shampoo. This one right here is really, really good. It is a hydrating shampoo. So it's supposed, if you have like a dry hair like I do, this would be really good. If you have a frizzy hair, this is really good. So it has aloe in it, which is great. It's for dry hair. If you have color treated hair, this is a really good shampoo. This is what it looks like. It's by Matrix. I got mine from JCPenney's. So if you have a JCPenney's, then, or honestly, you can get this from Sephora. I've seen this from Sephora as well. If you have a Sephora, a JCPenney's, or if you just want to go on the website of Matrix and look this up. But I will put all the information in the description box. But this is the Matrix Hydra Source shampoo for dry hair. It looks like this, like I said. So this is one of the products I feel like has really changed the frizz from my hair and really changed my hair game. So if you want to check this out, like I said, definitely do that. So that is one of the shampoos. Another shampoo that I kind of switch, like one day I'll use that one, another day I'll use this one. So the other shampoo I've really been enjoying is by Paul Mitchell. You can also get this at Ulta or JCPenney's. I got mine at JCPenney's. But this one is the Super Skinny shampoo. So I feel like if you have curly hair, you will really like this one because what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to smooth the frizzies. So if you're somebody with curly, naturally curly hair and your hair gets super frizzy, or maybe you have wavy hair and your hair gets frizzy, maybe you just have straight hair and your hair gets super frizzy, this is a really, really good product. It looks like this. Again, it has the green top. I will say this one smells amazing. If you like fruit, this one smells, to me, it smells like apples, like fresh apples. It has a very, very sweet, fruity smell to it, but it's not that like gross, fake smell. It smells really, really good. So if you like products that smell really nice, you'll love this one. Like I said, if you have any type of frizz in your hair, you'll really love this one. Again, Paul Mitchell. This one's, like I said, the Super Skinny shampoo. It's supposed to smooth the frizz, soften texture, and yeah, that's all it says. So, but I've really been enjoying the shampoo. So those are my two shampoos that I kind of been going back and forth with that I've really liked. Another product I want to talk about with you guys is a conditioner. Again, this is Matrix. And this one is the Hydra Source Conditioning Balm. This also has kind of changed my hair game. I will put this conditioning balm on my hair. It's for dry hair, color treated hair, frizzy hair, any type of hair that needs some extra moisture. You want to leave this on your hair for, I usually leave mine for about 5 minutes. What does it say? It says 1 to 3 minutes. I usually leave mine for about 5 minutes. Kind of like a mask, but it's a balm. And it smells really nice, and this is what it looks like. Like I said, I'll put the information in the description box for you guys. So those are my like 3 things that I kind of start with. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the styling products. All right, so this is one of my tricks. This is the Big Sexy Hair right here. I love this stuff. Okay, I got this from Ulta. This is the Root Pump Plus. Root Pump Plus, the big sexy hair. So basically what I do is I will just put, like, I usually put more than this, but I'm just going to show you. Put about that much, or like even more if you want. Basically, do not put this on the ends of your hair. You definitely want to get to the root of your hair. It's a root, like a volumizing product. So definitely get in your root. Definitely get up in there. So that is the first thing. If you like how full my hair's been looking, I really love that root pump up. Again, it looks like this. It has a little pump right there. I lost the cap, sorry. But this is one of my favorite products, and I've repurchased this several times. Okay, another product I want to talk about that's kind of changed my hair game. This one is great if you have frizzy, curly hair, if you have frizzy, straight hair, any kind of frizzy hair. This is great. This is the Paul Mitchell. Again, it has the green top like the shampoo. And this one is the Super Skinny Serum. Now, this is supposed to smooth your hair, give it like a silky finish. So basically what you do is you're just going to pump. I would say not too much, maybe about a little dime size. And I like to warm it up in my hand like this. You can see. It's just serum. And basically what I will do, you can do this on dry hair, you can do it on wet hair. I like to do it on both, honestly. I'll do it when it's wet, and then right now it's not completely dry, it's still damp, and I will just put it on here. And it just smooths all the frizzies. And it gives it a very, like, soft feel. Now, don't put this on your root. This is more for the ends of your hair, honestly. It's just to get rid of the frizz. So, yeah, this is how I do it. I just kind of scrunch it up like that. So, this is great, like I said, for curly hair, for frizzy hair. And if you have straight hair, you don't have to, obviously, you won't be scrunching it. But you can just put it in your hair, put it in your hand, sorry, and get it warm. And just kind of put it like on the ends of your dry hair. That's all you have to do. But since mine is curly, and I'm trying to embrace my curls right now, this is how I'm doing it. And like I said, I did use that volumizing root product as well. So it's giving me this volume that I have. Like that. A lot of hair. I feel like a lion. So that's what that looks like. Another product I've really been enjoying, you guys. I'm going to set this down here. Another product that I really enjoy is this product. This is the Everyday Beach Wave little spray. I got this in a FabFitFun, but swear to goodness, guys, when I run out of this product, I will definitely try to find it. I will be repurchasing it. I'm sure it's on a website somewhere. Again, it's the Everyday Beach Waves. I got it from FabFitFun. It might even be on FabFitFun's website, so I'll have to check that out. But I honestly fell in love with this product. Now, it does have a hairspray smell. It has a very strong hairspray smell, but basically what this is, it is a conditioning, texturized styling product. So this is going to style your curls. Now this right here is for girls with naturally wavy hair or girls with naturally curly hair. If you have straight hair, I don't think this is going to help you. But if you have naturally wavy hair or naturally curly hair, this right here is amazing, amazing for your curls. So again, it's the Everyday Beach Waves. What you're going to do, it's a spray. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're going to spray your curls. And you're just going to kind of scrunch it up. And I like to hold mine for a second. Like I said, this is a texturizing, almost like a hairspray. A texturizing hairspray. And you can see that the more I do this, the more it gets fluffy. And you know what it tastes like? And honest to goodness, tastes like salty beach. The salty, not this beach, but the salty water, the ocean is what it tastes like, which is weird. But so you can see how fluffy and volumizing my curls are getting. So again, just go wherever you need it and just kind of scrunch up your hair. Then we'll go to this side. I like to do it more on the ends, so I'm going to scrunch it up on the ends, and then I'm just going to keep pushing it like so. And it, like I said, it does have like a hairspray type smell to it, but you see how much body and curl it's giving my hair, my naturally curly hair. It's just giving it a lot of body. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll let it dry on one side and then I'll flip it on the other. If I want like a more volumizing look, you can totally do that. It's a little trick. Just flip your hair to the side and it will give you like even more curl. You know what I'm saying? Like you can just flip it over. I'm going to leave mine on this side though today. So that is how I style my hair. I told you it's not really a tutorial because it's so freaking easy. I feel bad for saying it's a tutorial, but honestly, I just wanted to show you guys like the products I use in case you're interested in them. It really, really does get rid of the frizz and stuff. Let me show you just another little trick that I like to do. Okay, so honestly, I don't particularly like this color, but I will tell you, like, okay, this is another product that I do use. This is the Beatrice. Why am I saying Beatrice? Beatrice dry shampoo. This one's in Dark Divine. I don't like this color. It doesn't work for me. I need the blonde one. But I don't know if you can see it, but I do have a gray streak that goes, just one little tiny gray streak right there. Drives me nuts. So what I like to do is I'll get, like I said, I need to pick up the blonde one, but at the moment I don't have the blonde one. And I'll just spray it like right there. You see how that is? And I'll just spray it, and even if I need it at the top, I'll spray it at the top. But yeah, that's all the hair products that I've been using to get my hair like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would totally appreciate it. If you liked this hair tutorial, and you want something else, let me know in the comments what you would like to see. And I would totally be happy to do so for you guys. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and you will get future videos from me. I do have a giveaway in July coming up for my YouTube anniversary. So I'm going on 4 years on YouTube. So I will be having some surprise giveaways on probably Instagram, maybe Facebook. Don't know about that yet. But I will link my Instagram account and my Facebook account down below. Make sure to follow me on those for some surprise giveaways. I will be having a big giveaway on the this channel, my YouTube channel. So to qualify for that, you must be subscribed to my channel. I will be checking everything, so you have to subscribe. There's no, you know, ands or buts about it. You have to be subscribed to my channel. Okay guys, my camera is overheating, so I gotta go. I just want to say I love you guys to pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.